So we've got to change these reactive switches, white plastic, to metal. What I'll show you now is a common thing that I find on EICRs where the plastic obviously is not earthed, but when people change plastic to metal at home, they do not earth the plate. So let's have a look. So as you can see, the earth's just in the pack. So I need to connect them up and then do a fly lead. So just get a bit of earth, and we're gonna put that onto the back box so it's connected. Let's get the earth terminal screw. So now we've got a fly lead ready for the metal switch, reactive switch that we're putting in today. So now the metallic plate is earthed. So that's a common issue that I find, like I say, on the ICRs where people have changed their own switches, and then when I take the metal plates off, they're not earthed. So this has to be done. There you go, new metal switch, reactive, all working.